The Paulownia Leapfrog, 15x faster than nature. Every hour, the world loses 4,500 acres of forest. Every single hour. Traditional reforestation would take a century to catch up. But what if we could leapfrog nature itself? The crisis scale. Let's put this in perspective. 4,500 acres lost every hour means 108,000 acres daily. That's 39 million acres annually, an area larger than Florida disappearing every year. Traditional reforestation failure. Traditional reforestation plants oak, pine, hardwoods that take 50 to 100 years to mature. At this pace, we're fighting a losing battle. We're bringing a century-old solution to an hourly crisis. The math is brutal. We'd need to plant faster than we're losing just to break even. The Paulownia Leapfrog solution. Enter the Paulownia Leapfrog. Instead of 4,500 acres lost per hour, we only need to plant 300 acres per hour to balance the scales. How? Paulownia grows 15 to 20 feet per year versus 1 to 2 feet for traditional trees. It sequesters 47.4 metric tons of CO2 per acre annually, 15 times more efficient than nature alone. We're not just planting trees, we're deploying carbon removal infrastructure. The efficiency breakthrough. Think of it like this. Traditional reforestation is like building roads with shovels. The Paulownia Leapfrog is like deploying industrial machinery. Same land area, 15 times the carbon impact. Same time frame, exponentially faster results. We're not working against time, we're working with accelerated biology. Real-world impact. At Bioeconomy Solutions, we're already deploying this infrastructure across 5 countries. 300 acres per hour isn't theoretical, it's operational. Each acre planted today delivers the carbon impact of 15 traditional acres. Each hour of deployment counters 15 hours of deforestation. This is how we catch up. The paradigm shift. The paradigm shift is simple. Stop trying to replant what we lost. Start deploying what works faster. The Paulownia Leapfrog isn't just reforestation, it's carbon infrastructure at the speed of crisis. From hope to planning to action. Every hour we delay, we lose another 4,500 acres. But every hour we deploy, we can counter it with just 300 acres of Paulownia infrastructure. We're happy to organize a time to speak with you about deploying this solution. Book a private consultation call to speak directly at bioeconomysolutions.com.